Erokamano kuom kete Ramogi TV in gi thuolo mar oro ote machok e laini mar ote machok ariyo 3 6 machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Piny owacho olando ni gichano uso atamalo 15 mag kwan mwandu mage kata shares e kambi mar tudruok mar Safaricom ne kambi mar Vodafone. Okang' ma kamano wachore ni biro konyo piny Kenya yudo kwan omenda duto maromo siling bilion 244.5 e kindego. Tend migawo mar omenda ma pachoka olero kendo singo ni kambino pod biro bedo mar piny Kenya kaluwore gi chike kod okenge magiriedo mabiro tayo chenro makamano.
That this is a shareholder level adjustment, not an operational takeover. Safaricom's management and board continue to have responsibility for day-to-day operations. The government role as a strategic shareholder continues, and I will elaborate shortly. So in the coming days, we will fulfill all statutory disclosure obligations and requirements and provide further details through the Capital Markets Authority and Nairobi Securities Exchange filings as is required by law. We will also continue to engage, or our engagement with Parliament and the public through the forums that our democracy provides. Once complete, the funds from this transaction will be seed capital, and I want to emphasize that. Once complete, the funds from this transaction will be the seed capital for the National Infrastructure Fund and the Sovereign Wealth Fund, which we have previously talked about. I urge Parliament, and more particularly National Assembly, to expedite the approval of the instruments required to establish the two funds